Hello, I'm Mary from Claro Software, and I'm going to show you our top 5 features. It's been really tricky just choosing 5, but hopefully you'll see how they can help you with reading, writing and studying. You'll see how easy it is to use and how it can help you work more quickly and confidently. So let's take a look.
Feature number 1 is ClaroRead reading any text. When you're studying, you have loads of things to read. So ClaroRead can read it for you, and it highlights while it's reading so you can follow the text more easily.
Your DSA application form will need to be submitted to the SLC.
So that sentence was reading with green highlighting using the word trail option. You can choose to highlight a word at a time and then choose a different colour to highlight. You can have words read by selecting with your mouse and it instantly will read to you. And you can use the F7 key to start instead of pressing play. ClaroRead will read words in context.
There is a strong wind today. She was trying to wind up the ball of wool.
So in that example, it knew to pronounce wind and wind. You can even have your own typing echoed back to make sure that you haven't made any mistakes.
We ain't going to the party tomorrow.
I can now go back and make some changes to make sure that the sentence is correct.
We are going to the party tomorrow.
If you use Dragon, you can check that it has heard you correctly by having the sentences echoed back.
If you use Dragon, you can check that it has heard you correctly by having the sentences echoed back.
It's not just Word that it can read in, it can read on the internet as well.
Going to university as a dyslexic student.
If the words are within a picture, that's not a problem. You can use the scan from screen function to have it read to you.
Overcomes obstacles to achieve success.
During your studies, you'll have loads of documents to read, and sometimes these aren't accessible. You can use the scan button to make any document accessible, and then you can have it read to you.
Background to the study. These case studies were researched and produced by a team from the Faculty of Education at Manchester.
If you do a lot of scanning of PDFs that are inaccessible, you might want to use autoconverter that is in ClaroRead Pro. So this document is inaccessible. It's a scanned picture. I can't put my cursor on it. All you have to do is drag the document into a folder and it immediately converts it into a PDF that's accessible or a Word document. Then you can open up the document and have it read back to you with highlighting. Feature number 2 is Screen Ruler and Claro View, tinting the screen any colour. You'll love using this feature if you have Erland syndrome, eye strain, or you find that you often reread the same line over and over again or miss out a line. The ruler and the underline tool helps you focus on one line at a time. And Claro View tints the screen but keeps the text black so it's really clear to read. Feature number 3 is Claro Capture. It can collect text, audio and images from any document or web page and group them as a project file. It will save you loads of time because it automatically references as you capture. You can use the highlighting colours in Word to highlight different parts of the text. This is useful because you can organise and structure your essay while you're gathering information. And then click on the Word button in the Claro Capture toolbar to capture it all. It will put all the highlighted colours together. This works in a really similar way with a PDF file. You open the document in Claro PDF, and this time you can highlight with 3 colours. And then click on the PDF icon on the Claro Capture toolbar to capture it. You can also capture pictures by drawing a box around the image. As well as text within a picture. You can add audio and notes to your captures, delete them if you don't want them anymore, and reorganise them. And then when you've collected everything you need, you can export them to various programs. If you choose to export everything to Word, you can get an automatic contents page and a bibliography too. Now everything that you've captured is in one place and you're ready to write your essay. Feature 4 is ClaroRead's iOS apps that are included with a ClaroRead license. You can get these apps on Android too, although a couple of the features aren't available. They're so handy for times when you want some help with your reading and writing, but you've not got your computer on. You can use our apps on your iPhone or iPad. When you need some text on a piece of paper or a page of a book read to you instantly, you can use ScanPen.
October arrived, spreading a damp chill over the grounds and into...
If you have a big document to read, open it in Claro PDF and listen to it being read with highlighting.
Polar bears are distributed in ice-covered waters throughout the circumpolar Arctic.
You can tint the screen a different colour to make the text clearer for you to read. It will save you lots of time having a PDF read to you, but you probably would want to annotate it. You can do that in Claro PDF. You click on the annotation button. You can highlight words, add arrows, text, and then once you've finished making notes, you can save the document with the annotations included. ClaroSpeak is a reading and writing app. You can open a document or start a new one and have the text read back to you with a high quality voice.
ClaroSpeak speaks back text with high quality speech and highlighting so you can follow the words as they are spoken.
You can type into the app, use word prediction to help with spelling, and then have the sentence echo back to you.
I can type sentences and listen to them to check for errors.
There's a handy spell checker too. And feature 5 is how easy ClaroRead is to use. We make ClaroRead really easy to use. In fact, you're only a couple of clicks away from anything you want to do. We keep things simple so you can save time and concentrate on your studies. You can choose the way the toolbar looks. There are 3 styles to choose from. And you can also select which buttons you want to see. You can even choose not to see the toolbar at all and have it minimised.
So there you have it, our top 5 features. We do have loads of other features too. It's a whole suite on the toolbar and on a Chromebook or Mac as well if you have one of those. We have mind mapping tools, help with writing essays, Claro Writing Helper. We also have help with your spellings with prediction and spell checking and homophone checking. So if you want to find out more, you can visit our website and take a look at some other videos we have. Hopefully this has given you a good idea of what we have to offer and how it can really help you with your reading, writing and studying.